Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today we will be touring 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa located in Berava. We are just 2 minutes walk to the beach and just about 5 minutes walk to a world famous beach club, Finn's Beach Club. Some of you might know it. We wanted to say big thank you to Vazati Property Management for allowing us to enter this villa and do a little tour for you guys, also for us. This is very first time we are entering this property, so I bet you cannot wait. Let's go together. So this is the entrance door.
Large wooden door.
Right, so we are in front of the villa, and this is the entrance to a living room. Let's go in. So guys, we are in a living room space which is interconnected with the kitchen, so this is quite a spacious area.
Open area. We will show the kitchen later.
Yeah, Alina will do that. I'd like to point on how much light is here.
Yeah.
We don't very often get so much natural light. It's very important for both of us.
Yeah.
It saves electricity as well, right?
And it's very, very high ceilings, if I can show it. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is quite compact, small living room, 3-seater sofa. Really good choice. Table is super cool.
Beautiful colors.
Yeah, whole colors are just matching together. They're so nice. I wanted to say the owner is from New Zealand and he's photographer. I guess guys you can say design is on point here, right? A lot of decorations here as well. And does it seem like too much? To me it doesn't.
It doesn't, no.
It doesn't.
Because there is that slight line between.
Yeah, it's perfect combination of everything is here very interesting. It seems really interesting, really a lot of designer pieces. For entertainment and speaker, you have a Harman and Kardon speaker. I know these can be really pricey, so you can say it's a high quality. This is some just storage space. We won't be opening.
Storage unit, yeah.
It's empty. You can store your stuff there. A lot of pillows, so if you want to have a pillow wars in the evening.
And sharks, you see?
Yeah, a lot of sharks.
It must be.
Owner is definitely a big fan of the sharks.
A lot of artwork, yeah. 1, 2, behind the J are 2 more. And all these little details.
Let me see what's inside here.
Oh, some
some
extra bedding.
Bedding and blankets.
Yeah.
So you can keep yourself cozy.
Yeah.
Definitely highlight of this villa is this artistic vibe inside. I absolutely love those pictures. Just look at them. These are the pictures of, I'm assuming, local people or Indonesian people.
Maybe even the owner took them.
I wouldn't be surprised actually. He's a photographer, so that would make sense. This is super cool chair. Is it a chair actually?
I think so. It's beautiful combination.
Yeah.
How does it feel?
It feels like it looks like. Yeah, but I love it. Like design side of this villa is just spot on.
Yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful place. So we are in the kitchen area right now, and this is the main dining table. Island situation where you can host your friends or have your breakfast, dinner, lunch.
And cocktail party.
Yeah, and it sort of connects living area with the main kitchen. And living room. Guys, it's much bigger in a person than in a camera, for sure. So
let's start from the left side here.
when we come to the kitchen, you've got some storage, under stairs storage, which is always very beneficial to have.
Yeah, you can store some water there.
Yeah.
And drinks.
We've got some
Extra storage space here.
extra storage
And
drinking water available,
Yeah.
which is very important. It's provided in the villa. Then we've got massive fridge freezer.
it's really wide though.
It's large. It's very large. Yeah. And I absolutely love the style of the kitchen, that it's all black, but it doesn't seem dark at all.
Yeah, and you are matching with your dress.
Yeah. It's combination of black and light around, white surfaces, which is really cool.
Over here we've got Samsung microwave, which is very rare thing in Bali, to be honest, to get a microwave.
Yeah.
Here is more storage. Basically this kitchen comes fully equipped, so you get whatever you would need.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the toasters, blenders, everything is here. Lots of plates, beautiful glasses.
And there is extra windows, so you get that extra light in the kitchen.
Yeah. So here we have induction hob, where you can prepare all your meals. Modena brand, yeah. We've got a Philips kettle, Nespresso machine, which is very important to mention as well, because not every place in Bali has a coffee machine.
Or generally not every place.
Yeah, yeah.
We love coffee, don't we?
Yeah, it's a big plus. Double sink, very important as well.
Very nice.
Beautiful black tap, which is
Blanco
brand.
Yeah.
Sounds Italian to me.
Yeah.
You know. And beautiful, beautiful, massive palm tree.
This is my favorite part, definitely. This large tree is just, look at the size of it. It's beautiful.
Bigger than I am.
And it literally gives this amazing first impression. When you enter the space and there is large flower, it literally does make a magic.
Yeah, and look
White walls.
How high are ceilings. It's very.
It's even higher over there.
Yeah, it's very, very airy. As you know, we like airy and large spaces.
Okay, let's go upstairs. We have a stairs leading to a second floor.
Which has some LED lighting.
Super cool. I bet it looks amazing in the evening.
So this is the second floor, which is called entertainment room. You've got a massive TV on this side.
TV table.
Beautiful, like
it looks
urban,
industrial,
industrial style.
Cagey.
Table, yeah. And again, even if you are upstairs, it's very, very
bright
and
spacious.
And spacious, yeah. So here we have nice L-shaped sofa, which I assume you can open and have as a bed to host more people.
Extra bed.
Extra bed. Look at this light. All these details are just spot on.
Yeah. Wooden, Balinese.
Yeah.
Can you play that guitar, please? just play one note. Okay, guys, let's take a moment and appreciate Alina's.
I don't even know how to hold it. Enough.
Guys,
enough of guitar.
Which ones? Comment down below. Which ones would love to have a girlfriend who plays music for you?
Okay.
It's super cool.
This is basically a cool spot where to chill out and enjoy your free time. And I have to point out this piece.
Yeah.
It's it looks like it's antique speaker.
Yeah, actually we had a look from the back of the speaker and it is actually speaker. I'm not sure if it's functioning now, but
it fits very, very well. And this piece,
big boy,
another unique piece.
Really cool. There is a lot of art, guys, here.
Yeah, this is very arty space.
Yeah.
And if we come here, it's another surprise for you. We've got a balcony.
Yep. So you can come outside, have a little morning coffee.
Or sunset. I believe this is very beautiful for a sunset.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you just can walk around the balcony.
You can also walk this side and you can enter it from this side. There is a sliding door. They're locked at the moment, and there is another sliding door. So when I mentioned at the beginning, there is a lot of sliding doors here. Okay, let's go downstairs and let's show the guys 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms as well.
Yeah,
let's go this way. Guys, so we are in front of bedroom number 1. It's one of 2 bedrooms in this house.
And we have to mention that this is separate building.
Yes.
You've got a roof covered.
Fold-in roof as well.
Yeah.
If you want to.
Yeah, so you can hide from the rain, but that's the separate building from the main living area.
So let's come in. And straight away the same chair is there. They are a pair.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah.
Again, you have a TV in a bedroom. I hope you don't spend too much time on the TV, it's not good. Also very similar chair. You've got view outside on a main road over there, and this road actually leads to a fence, and it's literally 2 minutes, as I said, 2 minutes to a beach.
But it's very, very quiet, I have to mention.
Yeah, we literally cannot hear any noise at all. Like, it's very well sealed house. Also, you have 2 bedside tables, also very, very stylish, industrial style.
Yeah.
I'm not the biggest fan of this kind of color.
But it fits here very well.
But it fits here, yeah. So this is the exact exception. This color matches this room really well. And look at this carpet.
All these little details.
Yeah, it's very nice. Lamps are super stylish. Would you agree as well?
Look at that. Yeah. Beautiful.
And also, guys, you have enough of plugs to plug whatever equipment you need. Charge your phone. And scenic picture. Amazing.
Beautiful.
Super cool.
And this piece of furniture is really nice. This cupboard, like a wardrobe space. Yeah.
It looks like from Indiana Jones
movies.
Yeah. Adventure movies.
Yeah.
Okay, so as I said, this bedroom is ensuite as well. It has got ensuite bathroom. So let's go to a bathroom. So again, black details, guys. Sorry, noise might be changing here. A bit of echo here. I must say, very large mirror. This is
I would so appreciate
large.
it.
Wow.
With some LED lighting.
Yeah, back behind the mirror.
All black. Yeah, some storage, hair dryer.
Hair dryers.
Beautiful black sink.
It's very important, guys, to have at least 1 flower in the bathroom. It gets that homey feeling.
Yeah, and they've got 2.
And also there is a stand-in shower. You have provided, they provided conditioner, shower gel and shampoo. And again, the color match, black and white. Amazing.
Beautiful. And some skylight.
Yeah, it is actually covered, so don't be worried, you're not gonna get wet
While taking a shower.
outside of taking a shower.
So right now we are in a bedroom number 2,
Yeah.
which has very similar situation and interior as the previous bedroom we showed.
Colors are literally the same.
Yeah, just different picture about the bed, little different bedside tables, but all
Have a look. Yeah.
but all in the same style. Oh, then this carpet, it's so soft.
This is actually fresh. This is brand new carpet.
Yeah. The same, you've got this beautiful wardrobe space, TV.
The same size, right?
The same size, all the same. It's like a twin.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some extra seat, which is very beautiful as well.
And this is actually for our laundry, right?
Yeah, laundry basket.
Yeah.
Each room has its own AC and lots of lights.
It's actually a very spacious room.
Yeah.
And also you have a view. I believe this is kind of a garden. Yeah, definitely lots of greenery, guys, so you don't have to be worried.
I have to mention that each bedroom has its own sliding door, so you can get out anytime you want.
Yeah, and jump straight to swimming pool.
Yeah, you don't have to go through another, so you have your own entrance. And
bathroom?
when you close the door, you've got a large full size mirror.
Alina got distracted. Started my dance.
Let's go to the bathroom.
Yeah.
So it's very similar as the previous one, just little bit different with the little touches. Black sink, black storage cupboard, toilet, storage shelves,
and a standing shower.
And the same standing shower with some skylight.
Yeah.
Very nice, very beautiful place.
Okay, let's go to the garden.
Yeah. It's
and
time to show the
area.
garden.
Okay, let's go there. Hey guys, so we are in the swimming pool area / garden area. You definitely are not missing the greenery. There is a plenty around the whole property. Also some outdoor seating, so you can chill with your friends, perhaps your partner, enjoy a dinner or a couple of drinks. This is a L-shaped swimming pool. You can enter the swimming pool from this side and that side, and also from all the rooms. As we mentioned, they all have a sliding doors. Let's go this way.
Yeah, the swimming pool is quite decent size. And loads of plants, as we mentioned, everywhere.
It's definitely a highlight. It makes Villa seem really tropical.
Yeah.
Let me not fall here. A few cactuses, so definitely be careful.
It's beautiful.
Let's talk about prices now. So this villa is available for a night stay, and also is available for a monthly stay. Per night at the moment, because of the current situation, it costs around 1 million Indonesian rupiahs. We must mention under normal circumstances this villa would cost $300 per night. Also, you can stay here on a monthly basis, and that costs 25 million Indonesian rupiahs, and that comes with all the utilities, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And 3 times
housekeeping
and swimming pool
maintenance.
If you guys wanted to stay in this villa or properties similar to this, please make sure you check property management company. We will link in the description. Also guys, if you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us on the social medias, either on Instagram or leave a comment on the YouTube. Also please comment what kind of properties would you like us to tour next. We are happy to do that. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up please. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next video guys. Thank you very much for watching.
See you.